So, heto po, meron po tayong 1 cup of brown sugar. Idagdag na po natin ang ating 1 can of coconut milk. Of course, coconut milk, I'd rather use that. So, let's just mix this and mix until ma-dissolve yung sugar. My secret to make it more delicious is to add 2 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour para po lalo siyang masarap and to make it more sticky. So just melt this together with the sugar hanggang mag-incorporate at lumapot. So now, after 15 minutes, we are ready to put them in now. Yan. Lagay na natin. And i-alternate natin itong black rice. Black glutinous rice. Gusto ko kasi maganda ang kulay. Okay, so ilagay lang natin lahat. You can use coconut milk to cook the rice. Okay, so here is the fun part of it. Yung ating pagmi-mix. Yung pag-kiwar-kiwar. Kaya nga ang isang tawag dito ay kiniwar. Kailangan i-mix natin lahat ito hanggang ma-mix. Hanggang ma-mix, okay. Another secret is to add a little salt. Just a dash of salt. Para lalo siyang sumarap. To be more delicious. So, after an eternity later, ito na po ang ating biko. Luto na. Done. So, we're just going to spread this over here. Kasi i-bake natin ito with the topping. And then the rest, we will wait for this to cool down and then put in another tray. Okay, so while waiting for this to cool down a little bit, we will make our topping. 1 cup of sugar, slightly less than a cup. Ayoko po ng masyadong matamis. You can always adjust according to your taste. And then, 1 more can of coconut milk. So, mix lang po natin ito to enhance the taste. Little salt. Ayan. Para lumabas yung kanyang sarap. There. Lutuin natin ito hanggang maging malapot siya. Oh, ayan. So, after 20 minutes, nag-reduce na yung ating coconut milk. Nag-brown na siya. Okay. That's the time we're going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. Optional po ito, pero this is one of my secret, kaya siya masarap. So, we'll just mix this a little bit more. Okay, so yan, okay na po ito. It's already brown. One can ulit na coconut milk. Let's just cook this one until maging magkalapit. So, yan po, after an eternity later, ito na po ang ating latik. Yan, brown na siya. So, ito na po ang ating biko. 2 ways. Ito ang ating Regular lang. Ito. And then, ito yung ating binake. Binake natin ng 15 minutes. Yan. Lagyan natin ng kanyang latik. Ang bango. Diyos mio. Amoy pa lang. Nakakabusog na. Yan. Chalap-chalap. Ang bango ng ating latik. Yan. Latik pa more. Latik pa more.
Like you, heaven's not my home.
We have a lot of food. May grapes. Ayun ang ating dito.
I can't feel at home anymore. Have a loving Savior up in glory now.
So, this is yung jump pack na park. Oh, Elvis pa. Jump pack na park. Jump pack na park. Yun. Food is life. Yan. Wala na. Ubus na. Ubus na yan. What is this? This is pinapaitan. Malamig na. Then we have pinikpikan pala ito. Tapos, hindi. Pinapaitan, pinikpikan. Yan. Dami pang food. So, ayan po, gumawa na naman po tayo ng panibago. Today is Monday, August 28. Time check. Alauna na ng hapon. And I'm going to bring this to Metro. Ayan, gumawa rin ako ng konti pa. Konti lang siguro kasi yung mga ibang lahi ayaw naman siguro nilang kainin ito. Pero they might try. Yan. Yan. Ito, puti lang ito. Hindi ko na ito dinagdagan ng black na glutinous rice. Thank you for watching, my friends, and have a very good day.